Your good name is
Survama.
Survama.
Yeah.
Chalu. Okay. You're from which place?
Manipur.
Manipur. Okay. So may I know, like, for which profile you have came?
HR training.
HR training. Okay. And who have called you for this profile?
I guess it was Shelly.
Sherry. Okay. So just brief me about yourself.
I belong to Manipur and I have completed my school level education from Manipur itself. After that I did my graduation from DU Correspondence and I have just completed my MBA in HR
Yeah.
and I did it from Saudal High Tech, which is in Southex and it's affiliated to KTU. And as a part of my MBA program, I did my internship from Reliance Life Insurance Corporation. I did my internship for 5 days over there. And that's it.
Okay. So what did she told you about this profile?
We haven't talked much about the profile, but I guess it's a profile of a trainee.
Yeah. So how much experience you are having? Do you have any kind of experience in HR as a HR training?
No, I used to work in consultancy for around 2 years, BPO consultancy.
Okay.
So that's the only experience I have.
That's the only experience you are having. Okay. Fine. So what do you know about HR functions?
I'm sorry.
What do you know about HR functions, HR work?
HR functions, I think it's a very, it covers all the aspect of the human power resource of the organization. It has a very wide function starting from the payroll, like payrolls, management of attendance, appraisal, keeping a track of the performance of the employees. And it's a medium between the
What are the major
employer and the
functions?
employees. Sorry.
These all are, just work,
Yeah.
which is used to be done by HR. But at the major functions of HR.
Functions, I think this is a medium between the employer and the employee. Through the HR, the communication is done between the employee of the organization. The message is sent throughout the HR.
What do you understand by the word requisition?
Requisition. Requisition is like a requirement.
Something more?
Requirement. I'm getting confused with the requisition and requisition. Requisition is it the requirement of the manpower?
Okay. And what is recruitment?
Recruitment is one of the process of recruitment is the process of hiring employees based on the requirement of the job, understanding the job profile.
Then what is selection?
Selection is the next process of recruitment.
So how does it work? All these three things. First, what we have to do.
First, there should be manpower forecast, and then
So which one comes first?
manpower forecast, and then the recruitment, and then the selection.
Manpower forecast is requisition.
Okay.
Right? Okay. The same thing I was asking you. Right? And doing a bit confusing. Right?
Yeah.
Between these all three. Okay. So what do you think? Recruitment is positive concept or selection? Which one is positive?
Recruitment is positive.
Okay. Why so?
Recruitment is a focus on targeting to the mass of candidates, generating pool of candidates,
Yeah.
attracting as much candidates for the vacant post.
Okay.
And selection is choosing the best one from among the targeted applicants.
Okay. So you did your MBA or you're pursuing
Now
nowadays?
I have completed.
2012 pass out you have. So
I got my result in January 2013.
2000. Okay. So you were working in consultancy. What all tasks you have done over there in consultancy?
It was a BPS consultancy, so my primary job was to give a call, and then I had to check the communication skill, and then I had to line them up for the interview.
What kind of lineup, interviews you have scheduled?
Yeah.
For which profile actually?
Customer care executive.
CCA. Only for the CCA or there are some
CCA and
other
sales.
profiles as well?
CCE and sales.
Okay.
Sales for the BPOs.
You know, your consultancy work is a bit different from corporate sector work,
Yeah.
right? If you know that. Because this is, you worked and, you have to have the mass work, and here you need not to have these all things. There is in-house recruitment only, right, in this profile. And moreover, this profile here for which you have came includes a big part of marketing as well.
Okay.
What do you know about this company?
I don't know much. I tried to Google it out from my phone and I saw that it works. It works for nanotechnology, synthesizes and product.
No, not at
Yeah.
all. The name of this company is Nano 3D, right? So, and this company is a very good company, wide company, because this is, don't look at the room actually, this is the room where we only take interview. But we do have 3 production houses that is very nearby to this place only. That is because, we cannot take first round there, because there are many things which are to be kept confidential, right, from you all guys, because animation part, designing part done over there. So we need not to call the applicants over there. So this is the room where we take actually for the interview, right? And the profile includes, as I told you, a big part of marketing as well. You need to do BD as well, right? Because as this is animation company, so you need to learn many things, because this company is a bit different. The work of this company is a bit different from other companies. Other companies' corporate office, because animation is totally related to IT and all 3D and all this work. And I think you were not aware.
Yeah.
In fact, we all were not aware, but due to training, we will get these kind of knowledge in this field only. So this is the reason we kept it. The profile is for HR training, because first of all, we are going to give you training up to 6 months. Within this training, we will make you learn this HR work, as well as we will make you learn about BD, how to do BD, right? In fact, you need to talk with the clients in the second half. So are you okay with this profile? Okay, but the salary, if you, how much is your expectation?
Since I'm a fresher, I'm okay with whatever you pay, but then I'm thinking I should be able to carry my expenses with the salary.
Yeah, this is very good answer which I'm expecting from the candidate actually, because since you're fresher, you need to first stand somewhere.
Yeah.
And you need to learn and gain some experience. Then after that you can, say in the market, yes, now I am okay and I have experience, I've learned a lot.
Yeah.
Then only people can demand, right? Any salary. So very good answer, but I'll let you know, because as this is training profile, so first of all, stipend will be there. Then stipend will be between 5 to 8. Okay, and this is totally depends upon your communication as well as your work and all these things, because I need to talk about my manager regarding you. And what about traveling back if it is required in future, because in BD if you are doing something, so are you okay with the traveling or not?
I'm fine with it.
You're fine, no? Okay, do you have your own vehicle?
No,
No. Can you arrange if it is required?
I think so.
You can.
Yeah.
Okay. And what about bond? If in case it is required in future, I'm not talking about now. If in case it is required in future, because whatever the company is giving you, that company always want it back from you.
Yeah,
Right. So how comfortable you are with the bond?
I'm okay with the bond.
Okay with the bond. Okay.
So like how long can it be for the bonds?
1 year, 1.5 year, not more than that. I think this much is okay, because if any company is giving you training, that company really want it back. Otherwise, what is the need? What is the this is wasting of time, and what is the need of training? Then?
Yeah.
Right. Okay. So how soon you can join?
I'm the daughter, so I can join fast. As soon as I can.
As soon as possible. Right?
Yeah.
Moreover, I would like to know, where do you put up now?
I'm staying in Vasant Coach.
Vasant Kunj, where it is?
It's nearby to the Chhatarpur metro station.
It's very far, I think.
Yeah,
How much time it will take?
it takes around like 1 hour in the metro.
nomination, you can reallocate over here if it is required. Okay. So the number, right? I'll discuss your profile with your manager. If you get selected, right, I will be calling you for the second round in the probation house only. Right. One more thing I just want to know, what in your consultancy there are some targets, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.